Hey guys, this is Hartley. Like and subscribe. We're going fidget hunting. Now we're going to Dollar Tree.
Oh.
And I walk really fast. Except shorts on. Let's go in. We'll go together.
This is the biggest Dollar Tree I've ever
Ooh,
seen.
I want one of these. What's this? It's small. Is it? How much does it cost?
Oh my gosh, it's $1.
Oh, let's get it.
Oh my, you're holding it.
Wow, I already bought something and I'm not even in the store yet. Okay. Great, she's getting a basket.
What?
Ooh, Nana would like that for her party. Maybe a luau. Let's see what's next. Oh. Oh. Hartley, how much is this?
Everything is $1. Just get it right.
What do you mean?
It's $1.
Okay. Well, I know it says dollar store, but...
$1.
Well, those are $1. That's fine. Oh. Nani would like this section. We can make things.
Slime balls.
Oh, yeah.
Put on our slimes.
I like that. Okay, where are the fidgets?
We have to look
Okay, I don't see any yet.
around.
I'm looking. There's lots of people here on Saturday. Oh, here you go, Becker. Hey, how much are these GMO waffle mix? How much?
$1.
Oh, we should get 2. That would be $2. Everyone's wearing a mask, even though the CDC said masks don't help at all. Hartley just walked down the darkest department, and there's no way there's fidget spinners in this department. Why would you be on this aisle?
I don't know, Dad. I'm just looking.
Oh, cool, look at these little waste baskets. There's no price tag on it. Hearts, there's no price tag on those waste baskets. Hartley's walking down the food aisle. I hate to tell her, but there's no fidgets in here. There's a toy section on aisle 1.
Really?
Yes.
Where?
I don't think fidgets will be over here next to the whole corner of corn for your B-U-T-T. I'm going this way.
Mommy, let's go.
I wonder what aisle the fidgets would be in. Huh. It's very dark in here.
Greatest toy of all.
Oh, a plunger. How much is that? If you have it.
$1.
Thank you. I don't see anything that costs more than $1.
Found a fidget. It's a slinky. Fidget. I think. Yay.
That's the worst fidget ever created. We just throw it in the garbage can on the at the checkout aisle. Just throw it away. Like throw it in that garbage can. Go ahead, just toss it. That's trash. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
It looks like a bunch of he's opening a box. Listen. Maybe there's fidgets over there on the other aisle. Let's go check.
I don't think there's any fidgets here, Dad.
I don't think there's any at all. I think Abby is making up stories.
Yeah, Abby's a liar.
So we have nothing in our cart at the dollar store?
I know.
Let's go ask somebody. I wonder if that guy works here. Hartley. Looks like he's working here. Let's go look. Hearts. Have any fidgets? Those little bubble things?
I don't know about that.
Let's go find them. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. It's okay. Hey, I wonder if that mom would know.
Oh,
Let's ask her. She looks like she shops here all the time.
What?
I don't think people know what fidgets are. Oh, cool, Hartley, look. Oh, this is cool. It's a calculator. Hartley, come here, it's a calculator. Hartley, we should get Abby one of these. Look at it. It's a calculator.
It's too big.
What's 25 times 25? What's 300 times 556? Oh my God, we should totally get a calculator.
Times 536.
Yeah.
It's a million.
We should totally get a calculator.
Yeah, so.
Okay. So put the cart right there.
Here?
Yeah. And let's walk out the door. And tell your subscribers this was the worst idea ever.
No, because there's one more place to go.
That Abby's going to.
No.
Where-
No.
Where do you think the other place we should go?
Barnes and Nobles. Barnes and Nobles. We're going to Barnes.
Well, who's closer? Who's a block away from Barnes and Noble right now?
We are far.
No, we're not.
away
Mommy's
from
right next to Barnes and Noble. Okay, say goodbye to the Dollar Tree where everything costs
Is $1 and it's
Oh.
garbage.